Hey everyone! Now I'm going to talk about a topic that might be important for you. It's that you can search or filter incoming emails in your email based on size criteria. If you have really short or super long emails and want to filter them. But this time, the criteria are going to be based on the email size, like how much storage it takes. In this field, check the size. It shows in megabytes and kilobytes. I set it to 2 kilobytes and it showed all the emails. That means a kilobyte is really, really small. But if you use megabytes and set the limit to 2, like 2 megabyte, there won't be any emails bigger than that, because this email is new and doesn't have any huge messages yet. Of course, if we remove all the filters, it'll show all the emails. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the new stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.